Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a very exciting yet also kind of scary video. So Ryan and I, also known as my hairstylist, is going to be helping me do my own
Wait! Oi, there. First off, Ryan can't be here today. Alright, he said he was too afraid to do the hair and he wants a bed to sleep in at night. So myself, Ryan, is here and I will be taking care of your hair.
Alright, so if you would like to see how the hair goes, then just keep watching. Alright, so the two products that we're going to start off is this is the REDKEN Flash Lift, and then this is the Schwarzkopf Blonde Me. So we put these into the little bowl. I have the foil and everything ready. So Ryan and I both, we don't really know what we're doing. We've watched YouTube videos for it, but for me, I am a strong believer of me being able to do anything and everything. So this is why we are going to try to do our hair, my hair, for everybody to see. I do have a hair appointment in like 3 weeks just in case something goes wrong, but hopefully we'll be able to do it well. Again, we've watched so many YouTube videos on how to do it, and it seems to people, I'm watching a video of what other people were doing, so hopefully we'll be able to follow that entire thing and having it be okay. If not, it's okay. It's okay.
Boy, go easy on us, Brad.
So as you guys know, Ryan is not a hairstylist, so he is doing his best, and we're hoping that it would really work out. Alright, so this is Ryan going in. He's going to go in and out for the parts. I think he already did. And now he's going to push that in. I'll pull it for Ryan, and then he is going to foil. So you can see here, he went in and out, in and out. And this is the first foil that Ryan has ever done in his entire life. So he's going to paint it on without hitting the actual side of the header at all. So making sure it's nice and smooth, and really letting it go all the way down of where the darkness is and kind of blending that in. He's doing a great job, I can already tell. Probably can do a little bit more down here. Awesome. Put it in halfway. Is this about halfway? I can't really see. I'm going to stop right there. We can do it again. And then bend them over. Alright. We have one foil, guys. Woo! We're going to try to go as fast as we can, knowing that it's not gonna, we don't want to stay it for too long. Want me to do that?
Think that's enough?
I would do a little bit less.
So
like once we have this,
okay,
you can go through and do the weave. Did you already weave it? Okay, pull it. Okay. Look at you, babe. So I've watched so many videos on how to do it. And then I made Ryan watch me do some videos too, so he would know how to do it. And looking him doing it, I think he really kind of knows what he's doing. Maybe put a little bit more here, at the bottom here. And then just trying to feather it out. You want it to be as thick as you can. You want it to be thick. Okay, looks good. Put it in half. Put it half again. Alright, so now you can kind of see what it is like, and he's just going to continue on, and we'll just put some music on for you guys, and we'll see how it goes.
had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young.
Alright guys, here are the foiled. We are kind of checking to see how they are. Some of them are a little orangey, but we're getting there. So I'm just gonna keep checking to see how they are. This one's very blonde. This one's blondie. So we're just gonna wait maybe about 10 more minutes, and we're gonna kind of check and see how these sides are, and we'll see if I need to add anything else to it, and I'll just check in. Alright, so now we're just putting the area down here so it blends better. And
Root tab.
the root tab, that's what it's called. You can do this side too. And then, hopefully we'll be right here, babe. Hopefully it will look good. It looks like some of the root tab got into the bleach. So, we'll see.
Your hair looks darker now than it did.
That's just because it's the
Toner?
toner.
It's definitely not yellow anymore.
No. Alright, so next day later, I had gotten this top part. So we are now gonna do the back. I don't want as much as we did in the front, and hopefully it's gonna look okay.
I didn't understand that you are not one, and I can't wait to see you again.
Alright guys, so finally we are done. I think Ryan did a really good job. I think it looks really, really good. The blonde is definitely blonder. The only issues that we're kind of seeing is that some of the root, for some reason, just like didn't really do a good job. Some of it is a little bit green, which I don't really understand. I'll try to figure out what to do. Some of the pieces are just a little bit, what's the word I'm looking for? Yellow. But I think overall, I think Ryan did an absolutely amazing job. The back still looks really good. Just some of these top pieces, just because of the root, are a little bit off. But overall, for the very first time, me and Ryan trying to do highlights on my hair, I think this is not horrible. I think next time I'm gonna shower, I'll put some, maybe put some extra toner into this spot here, and then somehow I want to try to figure out why this is happening here, why it's turning a little bit green. But overall, I'm happy for the first time of ever doing it. There's definitely a difference between me looking at it at home, like here, and then looking in the camera. The camera doesn't make it look as good as it is. It's actually better than what it looks like in like real life. It looks better. Overall, I think Ryan did a really, really good job for both of us this is the first time that we have done it. I'm so proud of him to do such a good job. He is like the best husband ever. So I hope you guys loved this video. Let me know down below what other videos you would like to see. And yeah, I think that's it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.